Welcome to Raw Forestry, where steel meets timber. No filters, no shortcuts, just machines built to dominate wood, earth, and time. These aren't backyard tools. This is industrial power at full scale. High risk, high torque, pure forestry in its rawest form. Powered by a Cat C27 diesel pushing over 1,050 horsepower, it proves one thing clearly: real engineering doesn't age. It works, relentlessly. Then comes the HG6000 800TX horizontal shredder, designed to dominate land clearing and organic waste processing. At its core sits a massive 708 kilowatt motor, built to swallow whole trees without hesitation. The 30RXL remains a cornerstone in heavy forestry operations, delivering consistent performance year after year. No gimmicks, just strength, reliability, and raw output. When the Moorbark 30RXL chipper vester fires up, you don't just hear a machine, you hear experience. Built back in 2009, this iron beast is still tearing through timber like day one. Its Series 3 twin drum system doesn't just shred, it controls the chaos. Smooth feed, stable load, Uninterrupted production. This machine isn't just powerful, it's smart. Lower operator fatigue, simplified maintenance, maximum uptime where it matters most. Then the Vermeer WC Twee-Drie 00 XL steps in. A whole tree chipper engineered for scale. Large logs, entire trees, no slowdown. Now pair brute force with precision. The CBI 5400 stump grinder, mounted on a CAT 324E excavator, is exactly that. A perfectly matched combination built for serious stump removal. Hardened steel teeth chew through hardwood and softwood alike. The CAT's hydraulic system delivers smooth, controlled power, allowing the grinder to operate at full potential. Fast, clean, efficient. Operators don't fight the machine, they guide it. And the result is total control over some of the toughest terrain in forestry and construction. When the turbo saw bites into a tree, there's no debate. It's not cutting, it's controlled demolition. 4 times faster than traditional methods, safe and brutally effective. Deep in the forest, the Crambo grinder moves like a myth unleashed. Each drum rotation is deliberate, each strike calculated. Solid stumps are reduced to mulch in seconds, as if nature itself gave way. Advanced systems, durable construction, and intuitive controls make it a workhorse for high-demand environments. Strength and versatility combined into one machine built to perform all day. The Peterson 4310B crusher brings refinement to raw power. Built to exceed industry standards, it delivers consistent, reliable results in the harshest environments. Precision where it counts, durability that lasts. Forget slow, expensive grinding. The Stump Piranha attachment rips stumps apart without mess or delay. No hydraulics to babysit, just raw ripping force turning land clearing into a faster, cleaner operation. Compact but deadly, the Bandit 29XP proves versatility matters. Its retractable tracks let it slip through tight spaces, then expand for stability on rough ground. Small footprint, serious bite. The Bandit 1890XP wood chipper with winch handles 16-inch trees like they're nothing. Designed for large-scale clearing, it balances power and precision effortlessly. Then there's the PTH 1200 track drum chipper from Pezzolato. Powered by a Scania 700 horsepower engine, it's built for large-scale wood processing. Tracks keep it moving. The drum keeps it precise. Every chip uniform. Every pass efficient. And if you've ever fought a stump, you know they don't quit easily. Watching a Bobcat S550 go to war proves one thing: hydraulics always win. Sometimes, the right tool changes everything. A stump bucket on a Bobcat T590 turns a brutal job into a controlled operation. Day, pride, lift, done. When stump removal becomes a showdown, the Red Brew SHP 400 meets the Reese Corp Stump Humper. Two titans, one mission, total obliteration. Finally, watch an excavator split an oil palm tree with nothing but its bucket. No sawdust, no wasted motion, just hydraulic pressure snapping timber like a matchstick. This is raw forestry, steel, torque, control, and machines that turn hard labor into dominance.